In math concepts, our today's topic is perimeter versus area. So let's start. Let's first discuss perimeter. Talking about perimeter, if we talk about a rectangle, the perimeter is sum of the length of all the sides. Here in rectangle, we have 4 sides, 2 lengths and 2 widths. If we sum up all the sides, we will get the perimeter. Let's we name it like L for the length and B for the width. Then what is the perimeter formula? It is basically adding all the lengths and widths. So it is like length plus width plus width. Or you can also name it with W, whatever you want. Any symbol you can take for the width. Now basically there are 2 lengths and 2 widths. You will add both of them, like this is 2L and this is 2B. You can take 2 as common, then you will get L plus B. So this is the formula you normally see in the books and on internet. Now let's talk about area. What's the difference between area and perimeter? Perimeter, as I told you, is sum of the length of all the sides. But on the other hand, area is only the product of length and width. Here if I name the length as L and width as W, then what will be the formula to find the area of the rectangle? Length multiplied by width. Simple. L into W. It means that in area we just multiply length and width, and in perimeter we sum up all the lengths of the rectangle. Now let's discuss perimeter of a square. As you all know that square has all equal sides. So let's discuss what will be the perimeter. As you all know that square has all equal sides, so we can use the same symbol for all the sides. If I use L for one side, then I can write L for all the sides because the length of all the sides are equal for square. And now finding the perimeter, you know that perimeter is the sum of all the sides. So if we add all the sides, it will be like perimeter is equal to L plus L plus L and plus L. So in order to write L 4 times, it's better to write 4 times L. Because by adding all the lengths, we will get 4 times L. So the formula for finding the perimeter of a square is 4 times length. Or you can also write 4 times side. Yeah, means adding all the sides. Now let's discuss the area of the square. Again, square has all equal lengths. So area will be, again you know that area is the product. It's not the sum, it's the product. And it's the product of only 2 sides. So let's discuss what will be the formula of area of a square. So as I told you that if the all lengths are same, then we can use the same symbol. So for length I have used L, for the width I have used L, and the formula of area is length into width. Here length is L, the width is also L because it is of same length. So the formula will be L square. Area of the square is L square, basically the square of two sides. 2 sides are multiplied and we will get the area of a square. So what we have concluded? We have concluded that perimeter is basically the sum of all the lengths of the 2D shape, and area is the product of 2 sides of the 2D shape. Perimeter is the sum and area is the product. So formula wise we have seen that perimeter is the sum and area is the product, and if we see the figure, what we have concluded is that perimeter is to sum up the boundary of the 2D shape, the outer boundary, like this. We have to add the outer boundary for the perimeter, and area is basically the space inside this boundary. Area is the space inside the boundary, and perimeter is the outer boundary of any 2D shape. With this, we end up the video. Any questions regarding this topic you can ask in the comment section. Until next video, goodbye.